Hi, my name is Muhammad Ali Daraja bin Saban, and today I will be presenting about IKEA's exoskeleton initiative, which is focused on improving workplace safety and employee well-being. So first of all, the company puts a strong focus on employee well-being, especially for workers in roles that involve physical tasks such as lifting, bending, and repetitive movement. This type of task can lead to long-term health issues if not managed properly. Second, IKEA has taken action by deploying over 400 exoskeletons across 14 countries. These are wearable devices that physically support the back and upper body, helping workers perform their jobs more safely and with less strain. Third, this shows IKEA's modern operation approach. Instead of relying only on traditional safety rules, they are now using smart ergonomic technology to reduce risk and improve working conditions. So next, for the fourth one, it's important to note that this technology is designed to support, not to replace workers. The exoskeletons are there to help employees do their jobs better, not to take over their roles. So finally, last but not least, this initiative reflects IKEA's global commitment to safe and human-centered workplace. Rolling out this program in multiple countries show that they are serious about creating long-term sustainable improvement for their employees. So in summary, for all this, IKEA use of exoskeleton is a great example of how companies can combine innovative and care for people to improve workplace operations. So that's all from me. Thank you.
There is any type of technique that IKEA use in the company, especially for the worker. So for the first one is passive skeleton technology. IKEA use passive skeleton technology, especially the Suit X by Autobox, to help workers when lifting heavy items. This skeleton doesn't need electricity, so it uses springs to support the lower back and shoulders, which are the most common injured area that affect the workers. And also by wearing this, it helps reduce muscle strain and long-term injury. Is also comfortable and adjustable, so worker can wear it for long hours in the worker hours. And this technology is very useful in IKEA warehouse and logistic areas where heavy lifting happens in that area every day. And for the second technique that IKEA use is ergonomic office design. So IKEA really focus on ergonomic workplace design to make the working environment safer and more comfortable for the employees. Ergonomic means adjusting the workplace to fit the physical needs of workers to reduce strain and prevent long-term injuries. So for the example, IKEA use adjustable shelves and table to help workers work at the right height, avoiding back pain, neck pain, and shoulder pain. And they also arrange tools and equipment close to worker to prevent unnecessary movement like bending, stretching, or walking so far or reach something. Besides that, IKEA provide proper lighting in all worker areas, especially for area that need detailing tests like furniture example and quality checking. Good lighting help reduce eye strain, avoid mistake, and improve productivity. IKEA also application automated and semi-automated in their work system. So IKEA use automated and semi-automated system to make work faster and easier. This system helps to complete heavy and repetitive tasks, especially in large warehouses, which can be tiring and dangerous if done by hand to hand. One example is the conveyor system. Conveyor belt move product around the warehouse, which reduce the need for workers to carry heavy items. IKEA also use robots to lift the stacked large products safely and quickly. This make the process safer and more efficiency. Besides that, IKEA use automated storage and retrieval system (ASRS) to automatically pick and deliver product with minimal human help. This system speeds up the order process and reduces mistakes. And the last one technique that IKEA use is IKEA provide for the employee training and education. So IKEA really focus on employee training and education to create a safe and efficient workplace. The company believes that with the right knowledge and skills, employees can prevent injuries and work more efficiently. One of the main trainings is proper lifting techniques, especially for warehouse employees and logistic workers. Employees learn how to lift safely by bending their knees, keeping their back straight, and holding items close to their bodies to avoid muscle and back injuries. Moreover, IKEA also provide manual handling training, safety drills, and ergonomic education regularly. Employees are always updated about safety rules, emergency steps, and healthy working posture. And overall, this training helps IKEA build a strong safety culture where employees feel responsible and confident to keep themselves and other employees safe.
So for example, the problem is for assembly line worker face frequent musculoskeletal injuries from repetitive tasks like overhead component installations, heavy lifting, long standing. This lead physical strain, fatigue, lost productivity, and increased medical costs. The solution is Ford implements the ExoVest, a passive upper body exosuit providing 2.2 until 2.6 kg lift assistance per arm. It's a lightweight, need no battery or motor, and reduce strains on shoulder, neck, and back. The impact is the use of exosuit technology at Ford has reduced repetitive strains, injuries, and worker fatigue, decrease injuries-related leave, and improve physical endurance, job satisfactions, productivity, and overall operations efficiency. For the problem solving, Ford introduced the ExoVest exosuits to reduce the physical strains, fatigue, and musculoskeletal injuries among assembly line workers who perform repetitive and overhead tasks. The company supports these solutions through training program, ergonomic workplace assessments, and these consider automations to handle high-risk tasks more safely. Long-term strategy include expanding exosuit use to support other body areas, launching employee wellness program, and partnering with tech developer to create smarter and lighter wearable device. This approach has led to improved productivity, reduced injuries-related costs, and strengthened Ford's reputation as a company that prioritizes employee health and safety.
Second company that using exoskeleton is the Boeing aircraft company. Boeing is a world-leading aerospace manufacturing that have been operating in a large-scale aircraft that assembly facility where workers are required to perform tasks such as overhead drilling, lifting heavy components, and working in conflicts or awkward position for extended period. And the first problem is that workers are at the high risk musculoskeletal injuries. And secondly, is the common issue, which is the shoulder strains, back pain, and also the fatigue that can reduce their productivity and medical costs. And for the solution, that Boeing had found that they having a thought so fast that can support their upper body, and secondly, the ergonomic design that's an adjustable workstation. And for the impact, it's gonna be significant reduction in fatigue and also injuries among the workers, improve the employee satisfaction, and lastly, strengthen the Boeing reputation because of the innovation by start having the mind to take care of their workers' safety and not only for their production.
For the conclusion, IKEA has introduced wearable exoskeleton technology that directly tackle the risk associated with repetitive lifting, carrying, and other strenuous tasks. The exoskeleton are designed to reduce physical strain, improve posture, and lower the risk of injuries issues are prevalent in logistic operation worldwide. Yearly results from the deployment are promising. Worker report feeling less fatigued, expressing improved energy level after their shift, and enjoying a better of life both at work and at home. Sensor data further support this finding, showing significant in posture and movement pattern, which translate to long-term health benefit. In conclusion, IKEA Exoskeleton Initiative is a pioneering step that goes beyond mere compliance with workplace safety regulation. It embodies a holistic vision of employee well-being, inclusivity, and innovation. As the program expands to more countries and continue to evolve, it has the potential to inspire other organizations to prioritize the health and safety of their workforce, ultimately contributing to a more human and sustainable future for the global retail and logistics industries.